Hello beautiful set of people, you're welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can start your mini importation business. Of course, get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua, and of course this is Zion Hub Logistics Limited. Our business is now upgraded from Zion Hub Logistics to Zion Hub Logistics Limited, right? So if this is your first time of seeing a content like this, kindly smash the subscription button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and also share it to whomsoever you think this video will be helpful to, right? So in today's tutorial, I've shared tons of videos on idle fish, nearly full package, like full courses are here on our YouTube channel. So I've created a playlist for it. You can check it under the description button of this tutorial. But I'm going to be sharing this video. I'm going to be adding this video to it on how to how do I put the topic now? How to instruct your seller. If you are buying from a seller, the instructions you need to give to the seller before you place the order, so there won't be any mix up at all. That is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this tutorial. But before then, I'm available for procurement. If you want us to help you procure on this platform, we can help you buy things, we can help you ship it down to your country, and we are also available for RMB funding. If you want to buy RMB, if you want to fund your Alipay account, then we have the complete course. You see, what you are watching on YouTube now is far beyond what you are going to be getting when you get the course, right? So if you are unable to chat your supplier, we can also help you chat your supplier. Of course, yeah, that is part of what we do. We can help you fix the issue of maybe your Alipay account got restricted, your idle fish account got restricted, and a whole lot of that, right? So you can just reach out to us with any of this number displaying on your screen right now, right? So without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial.
I've recorded tons of videos for free on this platform. So what you want to do yourself now is to take your time to learn, right? You will get your value for learning, right? So once you're done watching all these videos, now you want to implement. So this video is just for a reference. I want to just show you how you can instruct your seller after you must have made a payment, right? So how do you do that? Now, at the point of you adding your warehouse address on this idle fish or go fish, right? There is no space for you to give your seller instruction. Now this is how to do it. After you must have done adding the warehouse address and you make your purchase, there are some airlines, there are some shipping companies that they will tell you that if your name and your phone number is not added on the parcel or is not written clearly on the parcel. As a matter of fact, there are some warehouse and there are some shipping company that do gives their membership code. They give their member a membership code. If they don't save the code on it, they will not count it as your goods. Like, they are not going to add it as your goods. This is how to do it, right? Don't panic. I'm going to be showing you. Now, once you make your payment, let me go to my dashboard so I can show you what I'm saying. Now, once you make your payment, this is a payment that I just made of recent, right? So you can go ahead to watch the video on how I bought this iPhone successfully on IdoFish. I'm going to be leaving the video under the description button so you can also watch it. Now, this is a payment that I just made, right? Now, after you make a payment, 1688 or any platform, or okay, let me just leverage on this platform, right? Idle fish management will give you the access to contact the supplier should in case you have additional informations to tell the supplier about this product you are buying, right? So you will now click on this with the supplier. If you don't have access to chat with the supplier, I can help you fix it. If whenever you message the supplier, the message will not be sent, I can help you fix it. Then we're also available for procurement. These are the list of items I've bought on this platform for you to see that this platform is working perfectly, right? So you can just send me a DM on Instagram, TikTok, or WhatsApp. I'll be available to attend to all of them, right? So you click on this column here to chat your supplier. So you can tell him, no, let me just click on this chat supplier now. So you can see that it's going to take me to the DM. You can see it here. Now I've made the purchase, but I still need to instruct and tell this supplier more details about what I needed. Now this is what you will do. Now this is the first thing I tell this supplier after I must have made the purchase. I told him that please kindly help me write the receipt and input the receipt of the carton. Now the purchase I made, maybe the supplier might forgot to add the receipt. So I now told him to help me write a receipt for this phone and add it inside the carton for this iPhone, right? I now furthermore by telling this supplier that it is very important for you to help me add the receipt, okay? That is another reminder, right? So I now resend the address to this supplier again, so he don't forget the address he's sending to. And he does not stop there. I still have to tell him again that that is the address I'm sending to. I now ask him, when will you deliver it? He told me within 48 hours this item will be delivered to my warehouse address. So these are just simple things you need to do, should in case, because this supplier are not also morons. They also have other things to do. So you need to do what? You need to instruct them. So if you have your membership code, if you have your anything at all, maybe you want to write your name on the parcel, this is where you are going to be telling the supplier after you must have done with making your purchase, right? So that is what I wish to share with you today. If you find value in watching this very tutorial today, kindly subscribe, right? Please, I'm begging you to subscribe, right? Resources have been put together to make this happen, right? So like the video as well, then also comment if you've gained one or two things, right? So I'm going to be leaving you with this video on how you can make a purchase successfully. Like I'm going to be showing you the practical videos that I shown you on how to buy this iPhone. So it's going to be showing somewhere around this corner on your screen right now.
Thank you guys for watching that video to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.